Begin by finding a comfortable position. You may be sitting or lying down, whatever allows your body to feel supported and at ease. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale gently. Let your body settle. Let the breath come and go naturally. Now, bring your attention to the area of your body where you feel pain. It could be a sharp ache, a dull throb, a tightness, or simply discomfort. Whatever it is, allow yourself to notice it without labeling it as good or bad. Just notice. Here is a sensation: warm, cold, tight, pulsing, heavy, tingling, whatever qualities are present. You're not trying to make it go away. You're simply meeting it as it is. Breathe into the sensation. As you inhale, gently open your awareness around the pain. As you exhale, allow any resistance or tension to soften. If your mind starts saying, "This is bad, I shouldn't feel this way, maybe it will never go away," see those thoughts as small clouds passing across the sky of your awareness. You don't need to chase them. Let them drift by. Return to the direct experience of the body. Feel the raw, wordless sensation. Be curious about it, how it changes moment to moment. Perhaps it pulses, moves, or fades slightly. Perhaps it stays the same. You don't have to judge or analyze. Just stay with what's here, breathing gently. Now, expand your awareness to include the whole body. Notice how other areas might feel neutral or even pleasant. Let your attention rest lightly on the entire field of sensation, the pain, the comfort, and everything in between. Feel yourself as a complete, breathing human being, not just a point of discomfort. As you breathe, silently say to yourself, "I open to this experience. I allow myself to feel. This too is part of being human." Let those words remind you the goal is not to fix or escape, but to be fully present with what is. Stay here for a few more breaths. Let the sensations come and go. Let the breath move freely. And as you rest in this awareness, the pain may shift, or it may not. Either way, You are learning to meet it with kindness, without the story, without resistance. When you're ready, gently return your attention to the room around you. Feel the weight of your body. Listen to the sounds nearby. Take one deep breath in and out. Carry with you this understanding that you can meet discomfort with awareness, and that presence itself is healing.